Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by protecting yourself and the work area because solvent and propellant are hazardous. Once ready, shake the can vigorously for 1 minute after the mixing ball moves. That ensures pigment suspension. Make a quick test spray on cardboard to confirm pressure. Next, pull the nozzle straight up to remove it. Inspect the tiny orifice for dried paint. If you see crust or a skin, you'll clear it next. Don't poke metal into the hole yet, and keep the can upright while working. Now you'll dissolve and dislodge the clog. That's faster and safer than forcing it. Once removed, soak the nozzle for 10 to 15 minutes in lacquer thinner or acetone. These break down common enamel or acrylic paints. After soaking, use a paperclip shaped into a small loop or a thin wire to ease softened paint out. You're scraping, not widening the orifice. Then blow compressed air through the nozzle or reattach it to the can and do a short test spray to confirm flow. Reinstall the clean nozzle by pushing it straight onto the valve until it clicks. Make sure it's seated evenly. Shake the can 30 seconds to mix propellant and paint again, then spray a steady test patch. If spray remains uneven, clean around the valve with a solvent-soaked cloth. Paint can jam at the stem. If you see low pressure or sputtering, try inverting the can and spraying briefly to clear the valve. If that fails, replace the can. Do not puncture or attempt extensive repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.